pro tip from log masters: check on your siding. If you live in a log sided home, this needs just as much maintenance as a full log home. My tip for you is use the correct nails. These nails are coming out everywhere. They are just a finish nail, no ring shank at all. Exterior grade finish nails are not the best for install. As you can see here, there are tons of nails pulling away. All I have to do is look on the side at an angle and you can see every single one of them popping out there. Check on your siding, folks.